Hello. Welcome to Augmented Reality and Media Lab. Augmented Reality and Media Lab is led by Professor Lik-Hang Lee, an assistant professor in the Department of Industrial and System Engineering. Professor Lee completed his bachelor and master degrees in Industrial and Manufacturing Systems Engineering at Hong Kong University. And he earned his PhD in Computer Science and Engineering at Hong Kong University of Science and Technology, under the supervision of Professor Pan Hui. Professor Lee is also a well-known and successful entrepreneur in Hong Kong. His startup company offers augmented reality software and services, as well as STEM education. His products and services put end users' interests in the first priority, and his startup gained recognition from government bodies and NGOs such as the United Nations. Currently, his startup is serving no less than 1/4 of secondary schools in Hong Kong. Our research interests center on user-centric immersive applications and their user interaction design. The immersive applications can serve a wide range of domains such as entertaining and retailing. Our research areas are established on the premise that immersive environments will be the next important platforms for communications, entertainment and work. In this context, the primary research areas are for extended reality, XR, human-drone interaction, HDI, human-computer interaction, HCI, and Edge AI. We designed user interfaces and interaction techniques for augmented reality and virtual reality. We take the user feedback at the core of our design. We take iterative steps in the design process. For example, we conducted 3 experiments to collect the user behavior with drone control, before we made the final ring-form prototype. Human-computer interaction design on immersive systems is subject to constraints such as energy consumption and user mobility. The natural user interface on this slide considers text entry problem on the user's hand. The text entry system leverages optimization techniques to decide the keyboard configuration on the hardware prototype of very limited interaction space. Data analytics and machine learning approaches can solve the interface design problem. We design interfaces computationally based on the user preference and their workload, such as reachability issues on smartphones and the user-friendly candlestick generation for talk forecasting. Recently, we have found important roles of edge computing in augmented reality. For example, multiple driver perceptions are shared in an edge computing network, and the AI system assists the drives to share information about nearby dangerous objects. To facilitate research outcomes after attending our lab activities, we recommend students to have basic knowledge and skills in one of the areas including user research, programming, machine learning and data analytics. Regarding our visions, first, we aim at producing impactful studies on both theory and practices of immersive environments, in response to the growing marketing of augmented reality and virtual reality. We have a strong commitment to the grand research challenge of designing highly mobile augmented reality for city-scale user interaction. Second, Augmented Reality and Media Lab prepares our students for future jobs derived from the rise of immersive realities. Third, we intended to produce independent researchers who can become a leader in their research niche. Professor Lee will do weekly one-to-one meetings with every student for mentoring the students' research. Last but not least, we are building an international team, where all stakeholders can work in a positive atmosphere. If you are interested in Augmented Reality and Media Lab, please feel free to reach us via the professor's mail. Thank you.